minimal pair exercises where you have two words that have a kind of similar sound, and there's a very subtle or a small difference in between them. So we will deal with those kind of minimal pair exercises. What they do is basically they help your tongue get more flexible with pronouncing different words that are very close to each other, but they do have a difference in between them. And that even those small differences in their pronunciation bring a great impact or bring a great change in the pronunciation of words. So minimal pair exercises are usually done to improve your pronunciation, right? So today I've included some different category of words. I'm maybe 3 category of sounds, and there are a lot more. But let's start with this one. I would like you to pronounce the words which you see on the screen. So how do you pronounce the CAT and CUT?
Cat and cut.
Good. What about the next one?
This is bat and but.
But. But.
But.
What about the next one? The third one? The third one.
Sad and sud.
It's sud. Sud.
Sud.
Yes, sud is.
Sud.
Yeah, we call sud something like the foam that comes with soap, that soapy water, that's known as sud. What about
Okay.
Yeah, good. What about the fourth one?
This is hat and hut.
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 Yeah, hut. Hut.
Hut.
Yeah.
Hut.
Do you know what a hut is?
Yes, this is Jompri slum.
Yeah, good. What about the last one?
This is man and mud.
Mud. So yeah, you know the meaning of all those words?
Yes, ma'am. I was not know about this sud, but now I came to know.
Okay.
Sud.
So when you're saying I was not know about, was that a slip of tongue or you use this often?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we were talking about the minimal pair exercises and we've done one. The next sound. Can you pronounce the first pair here?
Yes, ma'am.
Go on.
This is west and west.
But there is a small difference in between their sounds.
Line.
Before going ahead, let's talk for the first one. Can you pronounce the first ones again?
West.
Well, there's just a slight difference in the pronunciation, is that one is pronounced as west with a small like lips are like this, west, tightly, packed together. And one is where we relax and make our lips a bit more wide. We say west. And one is very tight, west and west. The and wa.
West and west.
Yeah.
West and west.
Yeah,
West.
so west, V sound, west and west, the and w.
West and west.
Yeah, that's a very slight difference in them. It's sometimes in the sound like you say was, 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 and then there's another word very, and people pronounce it as very. It's not very, it's very, and that is because if you do not know the slight difference between the v, the, and w sound, you are not going to pronounce these words correctly. So did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you pronounce very?
Very.
Not very.
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 Yes. Okay, moving to the next pair. Pronounce that.
Wine, wine,
Yeah, it's wait. Start with making your lips tight and close. Wine and wine.
wine, and wine.
Okay, so well, have you ever